What's up guys, my name is Faiz and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now this channel is going to be about tech reviews and maybe some tutorials as well, not gaming. So yeah, it was my dream to start this channel and I think I can accomplish that. And by the way, sorry for the bad mic, I'll be getting a new one soon, like a better one. Or I'll try to make it better in my future videos. So yeah, this was just an introduction video, and I hope you guys, I hope my videos will be helpful for you guys, and yeah, that was it for this video. It's just a small introduction video of my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button with notifications turned on, so you don't miss any of my videos. And yeah, thanks for watching.